Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some press-ons using the Modelones lipstick gel polishes that come in this beautiful pink kit. If you haven't checked out my haul video where I unboxed it and I showed everything, I will link it up in the right or the left corner, or if not, it will definitely be down below. The purpose of this video today is just to successfully show you guys how to price your press-ons. I get a lot of questions about the pricing of press-ons. If you follow me on Instagram, then you see numerous press-ons that I post. I actually do more press-ons than I do acrylic nails, and on a weekly rate I make anywhere from $200 to $800 just making press-on nails. So if you're interested in something like this, then you definitely clicked on the right video. So first, I'm just going in with some nails that are already filed and buffed off camera, and I'm going in and putting the base coat. So I'm adding the base coat on, and just right off the bat, the base coat is very smooth. I did not have to dip back into the bottle. Whatever I took off the first time is what it's on the brush, and like I said, everything is smooth and applied perfectly. After you do your base coat, you do want to go in and just clean the sides up some. I'm not going to go too in depth on how to actually do the press-ons. This is just a video showing you how to price it. So first things first, after I clean the sides, I do put it inside my lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. One thing about pricing your press-ons, you want to be realistic with yourself and your ability to achieve quality nails. Starting out, I still do consider myself a beginner nail tech. So I price my press-ons based off my experience, and I base it off my time. For example, when I was going to a traditional nail salon and I would get a bling nail on each finger, they would charge me for my full set or my refill, whatever it was I was getting, and then an additional $10 for each bling finger, and that's with AB crystals. So I do the same thing. If I do a set of press-ons, I charge a base set for that press-ons just for the actual nails, anywhere from $10 to $15. And then if a customer wants a bling nail on each finger, that finger is $10 each. So my press-ons are never under $30. If that make any sense to you, you'll see when I'm done these press-ons and I can explain it a little bit better. Here I am going in with a new color. It's shade number 11, I believe. I will put the shade numbers on the screen here in case I forget to mention what they are. This color is stunning, very beautiful, very opaque. Because these are press-ons, I did go in with a second coat off camera, but it really was not needed. I like to apply 2 coats of whatever base color I'm using on my nails just to give it the illusion of being acrylic nails. Sorry if you guys hear the motorcycle riding by. I do have my window open. So now that I have my first color down, I am going to pop it in my lamp. I did leave that one nail blank just because I'm going to bling that nail out, and the gel polish I'll be using underneath is not Modelones, and I want to keep everything about Modelones in this video. So this is what it looked like after I cured it in the lamp. I must say this color, like I said before, is totally stunning. This looked nice just like this. I did take some lint-free little cloth wipes just to sit on the side, because now I'm going to go in and just do a little freestyle design with the 3 gel polishes that I have here. And I like to use the lint-free wipes to wipe my brush off, just so I'm not transferring color into different gel polishes. So I am wearing a new dress today with like some floral wedge sandals that have similar colors to the colors of these polishes. So I thought I would pick these 3 colors and mix them together. This is my easiest go-to design, and it looks well put together. You can use any color. If you have ordered press-on nails from me before, then you probably have gotten a basic set like this. These are what I would consider my basic set nails. So like I said, I'm going to go in and use these 3 colors. You cannot mess this up. You do not have to be highly skilled to do this design here. I'm just going in with this beautiful burgundy color. I will leave the number on the screen like I said, and like I said, you can't mess this up. I'm just going in and putting the burgundy color wherever I see fit. There's no right or wrong way. I'm just splashing a little bit on here. I'm going to do each nail, and each nail is going to be unique and different. I was going for like a burgundy blush vintage floral look to match my sandals. I should have included a picture of what my sandals look like because they were very reminiscent of these press-on nails. That's where I got the idea to mix these three colors together. So now I'm going in with this beautiful, pretty blush color. And as you've seen before, I put the burgundy color in. I am not going to cure the burgundy color. I'm going to wait until I get all three colors on that I want, and then I'll go in and set this in my lamp. So I'm just doing the same thing. You cannot mess this up. I'm just splashing it wherever I see fit. Each nail is going to be unique within itself. So this is easy. You can do this with any color. The key to doing this is to make sure you have your lightest color as your base color, no matter what color that may be, and then you go in with your darkest color next, and then you play with it and fill it out from there. So like I said, I added the blush color, and then lastly I will go in with that beautiful new color that is left and mix it on the nails as well. So now that I have all three colors on the nails that I want, I am going in and add the top coat. Adding the top coat is the game changer. It melts all the gel polishes you put prior to the top coat. It melts everything together. It's like a melting pot. Looking at the nails I already did off camera, you can clearly see this is giving off a very marble look. I don't know, I can't explain it. But what I can tell you is they look hella good. And this is my #1 go-to look, and I make a lot of money doing this simple design. You can do it. Pick your 3 or 4 colors that you want to use and play around with it on like a nail swatch stick, just so you get used to different colors you want to mix together. And yeah, this is nice. I don't have any polishes like this in my collection, so I will be making some of these nails to actually sell to my clients because I like this. It's giving off rose petals of different shades, almost like a vintage look. Very cute and pretty. So like I said, I'm going in with the top coat, and then I'm going to cure this in the lamp. Now this is a nail set that I would price at my $35, $40 range. We'll speak about that a little bit more towards the end of the video, but right now I just want y'all to get into this look. It looks like I spent all day doing nails when, sis, I did not. These are an entire vibe. I highly recommend Modelones lipstick collection. This collection is bomb.com. Zoom in, do what you got to do right now. Screenshot this. These are giving acrylic nail vibes right off the bat, and this wouldn't be a full video if I didn't try these nails on for you on camera so you can get the full effect. So I did pop the nails on, and I was able to not have to do a voiceover on this part, and this is what they are looking like. I am going to take the rose cuticle oil that comes inside the kit. If you would like to see what the full kit looks like, I will link the video inside the video somewhere or down below. I'm going to use the cuticle oil. It smells so good, and just go in on my cuticles. You cannot tell me my nails aren't done. Like, they are fly. These polishes work like glove. I would definitely check them out on Amazon. I have a discount code down below. Pick them up, add them to your collection because they are worth it. Very nice. This is one of my easy go-to designs that I do. And for this set in particular, I would charge anywhere from $35 to $45, and I will also include free shipping. These are bomb.com. If you're interested in press-on nails like this, let me know down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram. I am Nail by Shy, and I can make you some custom press-ons. My overall experience with these are absolutely phenomenal. I do love them. Like I said in my last video, if you watched it, these are luxurious. The packaging is beautiful. They are very high-end. They're sleek. You can just slip them inside your purse. You can keep them inside the little travel bag that they come in, whatever floats your boat. But we are living, honey. We are definitely living. And I will make a more detailed video showing you guys step by step of different things that I use to sell my press-ons, but I will link everything down below, nail tips, everything. And yeah, let me know if you like these nails and what you think. Are you having trouble pricing your nails or what? Just a little tip, because I didn't put my tips on while I was on camera. I don't sit them on a cuticle. I leave a tiny little space in between just to give it the illusion of acrylic nails. So again, thank you guys for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, comment if you would like to, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you guys. I will list the winner to the sticker and glitter giveaway down below, so be sure to check that out. Just hit me up on Instagram and claim your prize. So check you guys out in my next video. Bye. So y'all know I'm extra. I had no idea my camera was still running, and I caught this footage of the nails by themselves, just beautiful. So I decided to add it in towards the end of the video. I really love how these polishes blended together and came out. You can't tell me that I won't need a refill in 2 to 3 weeks. I feel like I have on acrylic nails. These nails are bomb.